Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Sunrise Market Update and Outlook show. Just gonna quickly look at this today. It might not take long, but I welcome you all. Um, After a boring day trading show yesterday the market just consolidated the entire time. Nothing much happened. So we are just consolidating. So it's just, yeah, it was a boring stream yesterday. But as you all know, I truly appreciate your presence. And this is our breakfast basically show if you're on radio. Oh, wow. This is our breakfast show if you're on radio. And I hope you will be with me throughout the time. And we do it together. I will truly appreciate your presence on the stream. Do not forget to like and subscribe as you are joining the stream. And even you'll be watching this after the stream, just like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's go this platform together, road to 500 subscribers. Let's start. Let's get it going. We don't have long. Let's get it going. Okay. Um, yeah, I have long on USD CHF, and I've spoken about this, even though it was on a deep drawdown. Let me quickly confirm something here. Even though we ran into a very massive drawdown right now, and we have recovered mostly, but we are on a drawdown. I'm still looking for long, so I'm hoping that this support will hold and we start to flip this candle to the upside. But I'm holding longs here. I will explain exactly why I decided to go long. Um, but let me just not waste time. Let's look at the fundamentals. So looking at that, platinum is still continuing with strong being bull. GBP AUD US30 USD CHF. That's the one that I'm long. NZD CAD. Interesting. The Canadian has been getting a hit, eh? Nikkei and then Copper with Nasdaq and the others. But I'm interested in Canadian dollar because it looks like it's been getting a hit lately. Let's just quickly look at the Canadian. Canada has been struggling. Let's see what's happening with Canada. Okay, unemployment rate. Oh, okay. This is good. Unemployment rate, it was at 7.1%, dropped by minus 0.1%. The 7.2, we got 7.1, which is like bullish, a drop in unemployment rate, good number on the unemployment change. People that just got a lot of about 60,000 K jobs, while the previous people that lost their job is 65,000 people lost their job right now. 60,000 got their job. So this is a very, very good number. This is an extremely good number. That might start to change things now for Canada. The previous GDP, we got 0.2%, which was good as well. But the rest are bearish for the dollar, even though the stock is starting to improve given the fact that unemployment rate, CPI, even I don't like CPI per se, is starting to be below 2% target. That's a problem. That's a problem. We don't want to see this coming lower, also going to 1.8, 1.5, because that's deflation. And we don't want the market, we don't want deflation as well. We still want prices to go up, but steady at 2%. So I think that's what's getting a hit on a Canadian dollar, even though it looks like it's gonna recover. Comparing it to NZD, uh, New Zealand, because that's what I'm looking at as well. And I just look at the two. Lately, we only see that was the last one was 5th of August. I think I need to save this. They updated this, but the new one, PPI, came exactly the same, no change. So New Zealand dollar still a good a good data to say the least. I think that's a good data to say the least. By the way, um, with my USD CHF trade, I have a positive carry trade. So I wouldn't mind holding on a consolidating market for USD CHF. And this is why when I'm holding USD CHF with this, there's a positive carry trade. Be patient. Yeah. So Australian US dollar, we have interest rate at 4.25%, and then CHF with interest at 0%. So when you compare the two, I'm earning 4.25% interest just for holding the trade. So I do love positive carry trades. If I can have positive carry trade, I'm a happy man. So here we have a positive carry trade. I do love this. I do love holding this. Even if it consolidates, as long as there's not taken me out, I will hold on to this because every single day holding the trade, I am earning 4.25%, even though it's not much, but I'm not losing value in holding that trade. So therefore, that is why I'm interested in it. But anyway, I just wanted to just to show you that here we're not here to take long. We're just there to basically see what market we have and what technicals, what are we gonna look at today. Yesterday, as I said, we got a trade. And then today, let's see. I said I'm gonna look at New Zealand CAD. This is overpriced. Um, and US30 as well. I think I might have missed these two trades. GBP CAD and GBP AUD. Let's look at that. And then you can call it a coffee show, man. Okay, let's go. GBP CAD. I don't know how many times I've spoken about this. Came all the way up. I will just look at it. I don't like trading it per se because of the how much it consolidates. It looks like an uptrend right now. It's fine, but if it comes back all the way down, perhaps I will consider just to retest the support. I might consider longing on the 4-hour time frame. If it comes all the way down to hold the support, yeah, I might consider longing it. Come all the way down, retest that support. Perhaps I'll consider longing for something like this on British pound against the Canadian dollar. Just gonna consider for something like that. Here we go. Something like this. I wouldn't mind taking a trade, something like this. But not for today. For today, I said yesterday I was watching. Hmm. Okay, now Australian dollar starting to annoy me. Yenzan lento. It has pushed to the upside without the retest that I was hoping for. Um, let's see. I won't use the support, but I'm considering it. Can I use a very small position here? If that position fails, I know I'm gonna stick still to this position. It's fine. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, to be honest, if you move this from here, this is a support. And yesterday I spoke about there is possibilities for the market to hold this support where it is and push to the upside. And it exactly did that. Um, do I mind? No, I don't mind not to have a trade on it. It just retested exactly that support and pushed to the upside. I only want to be involved in the trade. It's a bit expensive. Fair price for me, which gives me better risk to reward as this low prices here. So for now, I'm happy with not being involved. British pound CAD, I just spoke about it now. And then if we're to speak about Not GBP, NZD, and NZD CAD. Where is this thing? NZD CAD. Let's see. Mm, yeah. Will a retest to this point hold though? Perhaps, yeah. Okay, I will be watching NZD CAD and see if it retests the support. If it does, come and retest this area. Perhaps I will consider longing here. Like hold that resistance, come hold support, and we'll push back to the upside. I might consider it. Might put it on some consolidation on my consideration, I suppose. I might put it on my consideration, I suppose. But other than that, there's nothing much happening, guys. So these are the only things that I'm looking for. And then as for indices, as I said before, uh, they're a bit overpriced for me. I just want to see it coming all the way back here. That's possible, hey? That's very possible. For you to know why I'm saying so, just join me tonight, 7 p.m. during the trading the close or during the market close PM session. Join me there and then I will explain why I'm looking for this and I will go through the fundamentals. US30 again, I'm still waiting. I think now for me, that's a patience game. I am still gonna wait until it retraces back all the way to where I want it. I am not gonna take a trade. So basically, there's nothing much. And honestly, I know people love trading. What do you call this? Gold. You look at gold, it's just really overpriced. To be honest, gold does not know when to stop. We are at 4,200 ounce of uh we are at 4,200 dollars per ounce on gold. That's quite high. And then oil, yeah, I'm not interested in oil unless it flips it. But for now, no, I'm not interested. So the only trade that I'm holding right now is USD which it's in very deep drawdown. And USD year to date is down 12%, which is interesting. For the month, just consolidating, but year to date, it's down 12%. And yesterday I spoke about carry trades, but I will discuss that later on. And then the only thing that I said I might put it on my consideration that has possibilities of working out today, it's NZD CAD. So this bit of NZD CAD, I might put it on my consideration. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me. That's what I have for now. See you during the PM session. We'll do the day trading and we'll discuss the fundamentals and the microeconomics behind everything. Other than that, guys, I love you all. Have a great day. Have a productive day. Those that are going to work, be safe out there. Those that will be trading the AM session, good luck. Trade safe. Be smart. Be patient with your trades. Don't over leverage. And see you.